Hello guys, for today's video, I will discuss how round robin algorithm works. First, meron tayong P1, P2, P3, P4, P5 na may 80 arrival time na 0, 1, 3, 5, 6 and V3, VT burst time na merong 5, 3, 6, 1, 4 and TQ time quantum na 3 and RQ ready Q. First, dahil ay first is 80 arrival time 0 and 5 burst time, kaya siya yung mauuna na mapupunta sa ready queue. Dahil hanggang 3 lang yung time quantum natin, kaya hanggang 3 lang siya. Then may matitira siyang dalawa dahil hanggang 3 lang yung time quantum natin. And next is V2 na mayroong 3 burst time. Then hanggang 6 siya. And next is V3 na mayroong 6 arrive burst time. Dahil hanggang 3 lang yung time quantum natin, may matitira siyang 3. And next is P1 na may remaining pa na 2. Then P4 na mayroong burst time na 1. And next is P5 na mayroong burst time na 4. Dahil hanggang 3 lang yung ano natin, time quantum, may matitira siyang isa. And next is, dahil may natitira pa si P3 na 3, ilalagay na natin siya dito. Then last is P5 dahil may remaining pa siya na isa. Then papakita ko kung paano computein si TA turnaround time is equal to CT complete time minus 80 arrival time. And P1, P2, P3, P4, P5 na mayroong complete time na is equal to complete time na kung kailan siya natapos 11. And P2 natapos siya is lalagyan natin. And P2 natapos siya is 6. Then P3 is natapos siya ay 18. And P4 ay natapos siya is 12. Then P5 is 19. Minus arrival time na 0, 1, 3, 5, 6. And ma-minus lang natin siya. 11 minus 0 is equal to 11. 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. And 18 minus 3 is equal to 15, and 12 minus 5 is equal to 7, and 19 minus 6 is equal to 13. Then ito total lang natin siya pagpa-plusin. 11 plus 5, 16 plus 15, 31 plus 7, 38 plus 13, 51. Ito tama ba? Then next is waiting time. Ikakopy lang natin yung equal na 11, 5, 15, 7, 13, and kakopy lang din natin yung turnaround time na mayroong 11 ay is PT ay 5 na mayroong 5 and 3 burst ay 3, 6, 1 and 4. O minus lang natin siya. And 11 minus 5 is equal to 6. 3 minus 5 ay 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. 15 minus 6 is equal to 9, and 17 minus 1 is equal to 6. 13 minus 4 is equal to 9. Then i-add lang natin siya. 8 plus 9 is equal to 17 plus 6, 23 plus 9, 32. Then yun lang.